Hi guys, looking at GBPJPY from the 1 hour chart, we see that this market from this support breakdown with a strong liquidity grab had another bounce to the upside. As it is a long-term bull market, we could see that GBPJPY creating a new higher high. So before we look at where is our next opportunity, let's quickly look at bigger picture starting with the monthly time frame. Now, looking at monthly, if you look at this market, it is a long-term bullish market. Starting with this level, there is a very strong impulse, and we saw that quite a few months of consolidation. Another impulse, a strong liquidity grab, and we saw that GJ currently is another impulsive phase. Now, this current monthly candle just starting up this breakout candle, and if you look at this level here, this is the resistance here with this structure formation on GBPJPY. We saw that this is the almost at the end of the month. We saw this market is strongly bullish, as we saw that there is a enough consolidation here, and previous months a pin bar. What I think that GJ might be pushing high to create a new higher high. The nearest level of resistance that we see on GBPJPY is here at 195.33, and I think that in a couple of months, even it might take 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months to reach there. But as we see a very long impulse consolidation, we can expect another impulse here. So for long term, we can expect GJ to remain bullish. And let's see the lower time frame to see how we can capitalize this move. Now, this is the weekly price action. This current weekly candle is a very strong bullish bias here. If you closely look at this low of this weekly candle, is just tested the monthly support, and we saw that the market has been managed to break back to back 2 weekly low, as the price had a huge liquidity trigger below this level and also bounced from the monthly support. We can expect GJ to remain bullish from the weekly as well. And if you look at here, also there is a weekly candle which is also had a very strong liquidity, and also this one had a very strong liquidity. So back to back 2 weekly liquidity grab, giving GBPJPY a very high momentum for this potential move. And what I think that this market keep pushing high on the lower time frame. So let's look at daily to see how the market is doing. Now, from the daily as well, we can see a bit more clearer breakdown with this impulse here. GJ has made a pullback with this doji on the daily, has made another impulse. Now, we saw that this is a very important liquidity zone below this daily bullish engulfer, and we saw GBPJPY managed to break down to that level and even cross that low, followed by another cross on the daily from a long bullish pin bar. And from that zone, we saw that GJ has managed to bounce to the upside, and we see currently the price is showing a strong momentum. Now, if we narrow down to the recent time frame, we saw yesterday there is a bullish middleman here. This candle has a long wick at the top, which is a sign of further bounce, because this long wick at the top is a pullback of this move, which is maintaining a healthy trending market structure. Now, if you look at this daily doji, this is also a very important liquidity zone, and above this level there is a daily doji that has not been tested here, which is an imbalance in the market. And we can expect this week or in recent time the price to retest that level, either from this zone to come down for a deeper pullback or to keep pushing high. And therefore we can expect another move on GJ, at least 60, 50, almost 70 pip up in the first move, and then we can expect it to keep pushing high. Now I will be looking at the 1 hour chart, as the market looks very clean in this time frame. What we saw here in this time frame, this is a local structure has been created in this time frame. The price consolidated here, and we saw a break of structure followed by quite a few long week doji here, giving GJ very strong momentum. Currently we saw sudden breakout with a very strong move on GBPJPY, leaving a neckline, and this is a smart money zone in that area. So I will be waiting for a local pullback in this zone. If we manage to see that GJ has come back down to this level where the price has broken that low and gathered the liquidity, especially if the price managed to retest this level where there is a high liquidity, we can expect GJ to come down. And as soon as we see GBPJPY has given us entry opportunity along the zone for this potential move to the upside, we'll consider going long with a high probability trade setup. If you enjoy this analysis, guys, leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.